we're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident that you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.